Last month, I watched a complete beginner create flawless cabinet doors that looked like they came from a custom shop. His secret? These 16 precision tools that eliminate every common mistake. In this video, I'm revealing game-changing tools that take the guesswork out of measurements, drilling, and assembly. Whether you're a beginner or tired of amateur results, these tools will transform your workshop. Let's dive in. Shelf Pin Jig and Hinge Jig 2-in-1. First up is the Shelf Pin and Hinge Jig, a 2-in-1 aluminum drilling template that solves the biggest cabinet assembly headache. This tool features 7 precision holes for perfect shelf pin spacing and includes both 1/4 inch and 5mm drill bits. No more measuring mistakes or uneven shelves. Whether you're building custom cabinets or upgrading existing ones, this jig delivers professional results in seconds. Over 10,000 woodworkers rely on this for flawless installations. Limited stock available, so grab yours now. MICROJIG FitFinder Center Point Finder. Tool number 2 is the MICROJIG FitFinder, and this genius device finds the exact center of any board up to 3 inches thick. Without any math, just place it on your workpiece, lock it down, and you've got perfect center alignment for table saws, routers, and lathes. This eliminates measurement errors that waste expensive materials. Professionals love how it speeds up complex joinery work, while beginners appreciate the foolproof accuracy. No more calculations, no more mistakes, just perfect cuts every single time. This is a workshop essential. Armor Tool Auto-Jig Pocket Hole System. Number 3 is the Armor Tool Auto-Jig, the ultimate pocket hole system that automatically adjusts to your wood thickness. This premium kit includes self-aligning drill guides, integrated clamping, and color-coded screws that prevent wood splitting. What used to take 5 minutes of setup now happens instantly. Over 15,000 craftsmen have upgraded to this system because it delivers perfect angled holes every time. Without manual adjustments, the complete starter pack includes everything you need. Professional results are now within reach for everyone. School Edge Banding Iron with Digital Display. Tool number 4 is the KOOL Edge Banding Iron with precise digital temperature control from 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. This tool applies perfect edge banding to furniture projects with its ergonomic handle and specialized curved tips. The LCD display ensures optimal heat for bubble-free application every time. Furniture makers report this cuts banding time in half while delivering showroom-quality edges. It includes a metal stand and heat-resistant case for safety. Transform rough plywood edges into professional finished pieces instantly. Milescraft Joint Master Doweling Jig. Number 5 is the Milescraft Joint Master, a self-clamping aluminum doweling jig that creates rock-solid wood joints without complicated setups. It includes 3 hardened steel drill bushings for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowels. The retractable edge stops provide automatic alignment, while dual-mode clamping blocks work horizontally or vertically. Thousands of woodworkers praise how it eliminates the need for separate clamps. Perfect joints strengthen your furniture and boost your confidence. Get professional joinery results today. Dust Deputy Anti-Static Cyclone Separator. Tool number 6 is the legendary Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator that captures 99% of dust before it reaches your vacuum filter. This static dissipative model prevents dangerous electrical buildup while extending your shop vac's motor life by years. Users report 20% more suction power and virtually no filter cleaning. Made in the USA with precision engineering, it handles everything from fine sawdust to large wood chips. Breathing clean air in your workshop isn't optional anymore. This is the health investment every woodworker needs immediately. Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule. Number 7 is the Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule, a 6-inch aluminum ruler with a sliding stop that locks measurements instantly. The laser-engraved scales in both inches and millimeters never wear off, while the integrated marking claw lets you scribe lines directly. This portable precision tool eliminates trips back to your workbench for measurements. Fine woodworkers love its compact size and bulletproof accuracy for layout work. It fits in your pocket, but performs like a professional measuring system. Upgrade your measurement game with this essential tool right now. Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Collection Separator. Tool number 8 is the Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Separator with an 8-foot hose and universal compatibility. The 8-inch body provides high-capacity dust collection, while the Quick Click connection fits any 2.5-inch shop vac hose instantly. The rubber gasket seal prevents air leaks for maximum suction efficiency. Budget-conscious woodworkers appreciate the professional performance at a fraction of premium separator costs. Stop replacing clogged filters every week and start working in a cleaner, healthier workshop. This affordable upgrade pays for itself fast. Olympia 48-inch Acacia Hardwood Workbench. Number 9 is the Olympia 48-inch Acacia Hardwood Workbench. With a massive 330-pound weight capacity, this solid workbench features a beautiful hardwood top, spacious drawer storage, and a lower shelf for organizing tools and materials. The professional-grade construction assembles quickly and provides a rock-solid foundation for any project. Hobbyists and pros alike praise its stability during heavy planing and assembly work. Every serious workshop needs a reliable workbench. Transform your workspace into a professional shop today with this incredible value. Milescraft BenchLock Bench Clamp Base. Tool number 10 is the Milescraft BenchLock, a 360-degree rotating clamp base that inserts into any bench dog hole. The built-in V-channel holds corner joints perfectly, while the tool-free installation means you can reposition it anywhere instantly. This clever design gives you clamping power at any angle without permanent fixtures or expensive track systems. Thousands of woodworkers call this their favorite workshop hack for holding awkward pieces. Maximize your workbench flexibility and eliminate clamping frustration. Add this game-changing adapter to your bench immediately. WORKPRO 32-piece reciprocating saw blade set. Number 11 is the WORKPRO 32-piece reciprocating saw blade set with a premium organizer pouch. This comprehensive kit includes 6 and 9-inch wood cutting blades plus 4 and 6-inch metal cutting blades with various DPI ratings for any material. Contractors love having the right blade ready for demolition, renovation, or precision cutting work. The durable carrying case keeps everything organized and protected. Stop buying individual blades at inflated prices. This complete set handles every cutting challenge and saves you serious money on future blade purchases. Infinity Tools Easy Angle Miter Jig. Tool number 12 is the Infinity Tools Easy Angle Miter Jig, and this precision cutting guide unlocks 11 to 112 degrees of cutting freedom. The rugged aluminum construction holds any angle perfectly, while the dual-arm design accommodates complex polygon cuts effortlessly. Finished carpenters and furniture makers praise how it multiplies their miter saw's capabilities for crown molding, picture frames, and architectural details. Your saw's limitations just disappeared. Create professional angled cuts that were previously impossible. Invest in this premium jig for unlimited creative freedom now. MICROJIG Matchfit Dovetail Clamp Pro System. Number 13 is the MICROJIG Matchfit Dovetail System that lets you create custom dovetail tracks in any material. This revolutionary kit includes the 14-degree dovetail router bit and adjustable dado stop for perfect depth control. Cabinet makers are abandoning expensive metal track systems because this creates unlimited clamping points anywhere you need them. The aluminum construction ensures decades of precision performance. Design custom workstations, jigs, and fixtures with total freedom. This is the workshop innovation that changes everything. Get the complete system and unlock infinite possibilities today. AUXTUR Cabinet Hardware Jig. Tool number 14 is the AUXTUR Adjustable Cabinet Hardware Jig that handles 2.5 to 5-inch spacing with perfect precision. The aluminum construction includes alignment holes and integrated drill guides for flawless knob and handle installation. No more measuring, no more mistakes. Just consistent professional results on every cabinet door and drawer. Thousands of kitchen renovators rely on this for fast, accurate installations. The durable metal build outlasts cheap plastic templates by years. Stop struggling with manual measurements. Speed through hardware installation with confidence using this essential jig. DAHOO Cabinet Hardware Jig Tool. Number 15 is the DAHOO Cabinet Hardware Jig with quick adjust punch locator technology and modular design. This stainless steel and aluminum tool features rapid lock mechanisms for repeatable hole placement across multiple cabinets without recalibration. The portable design includes a storage case for job site convenience. Die renovators and professional installers both praise its reliability for non-standard cabinet configurations. The robust metal construction ensures this tool lasts through countless installations. Get perfect hardware alignment every single time. Grab this affordable solution and eliminate mounting frustrations forever. AUXTUR Dowel Maker and Tenon Cutters. Finally, tool number 16 is the AUXTUR Dowel Maker with 8 and 10 mm cutter heads for creating custom dowels and tenons from scrap wood. The hardened carbon steel blades sharpen easily and cut half-inch square stock into perfect round dowels instantly. Furniture makers love producing unlimited custom dowels instead of buying overpriced pre-made ones. The durable plastic base provides safe, stable operation. Turn leftover wood into valuable joinery components. This budget-friendly tool pays for itself after just a few projects. Start making your own perfect fitting dowels today.